welcome back to my channel. So this video is my top 6 hijab styles. They are really easy, very comfy, and they're suitable for all the seasons. They are my most used. So if you want to know how I style them, just watch till the end. For style number 1, you'll need a pin under your neck. Actually, you'll need it in all the styles except the last one. You have both sides of the scarf equal and you'll just throw back one of them. Style number 2 is the exact same as style number 1, but the difference is that you'll throw back both sides of the scarf instead of one. For this one, you have a very short side of the scarf while the other one is too long. You'll turn the long part around your neck 2 times. Then throw it back. This one looks a little bit like style number 1, but there's 2 differences. The first one that we have a medium part of the scarf while the other one is a little bit long, and when you throw it back you will leave it on your shoulder a little bit that way. For the fifth style, you have a medium side of the scarf while the other one is a little bit long. You'll grab the long one and you'll turn it around your neck, then you'll grab it to the front. This one is the easiest. Actually, you don't need any pins for this. You'll just have a medium and a long side of the scarf and you'll throw back the long side. This was today's video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and want to watch more. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is down below and I'm waiting for you. The last thing to say in this video is that my sister have a channel, and guys, I really want you to go there and subscribe to her channel and support her. The link is in the description box and it's in the first comment. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.